Hello students, class 10. Okay, class 10, chapter number 8, introductions of here trigonometry. We are study today here introduction of trigonometry. Okay, now solve the here two questions. Question number first and second, exercise 8.1. Right? We today solve here 8.1. Question number 1 and 2. A triangle ABC, B is the 90, right angle triangle, BC equal to AB equal to 24, BC given 7. Find the value of sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Okay. First we write the here. First we draw to here a triangle, right angle triangle. Name of a fixed here B is 90, right by B, and remaining A and C write off anyway A and C. Okay. So suppose here angle A, B the 90 and C also given angle. A and C as a acute angle, right? Given the values of here AB equal to 24, right by 24, BC is a 7, right by BC is a 7. Okay, now the find of sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. We are find out 4 values, use of this diagram. Okay, first we study sin A or cos A. Okay, so first we write find the value of sin A, cos A. A means their theta. Okay, so A make of you theta, right? So opposite of angle of theta is called by perpendicular, written by P last lecture. Okay, you are understand, and make of a theta whose the side is called by base. Okay, 90 the opposite side is called by hypotenuse, right? Okay, so this is the triangle is a right angle triangle. The use of Pythagoras theorem means what is the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle? The AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So AC square their hypotenuse, AB your base, BC your perpendicular. To make of a one type of formula, H square equal to B square plus P square, use of it directly this formula. So we find H, right by H square, value of base there 24 square, P perpendicular your 7 square, 576, and 4 4 ja 7 7 ja 49. Okay, addition for both of value we find 625, your answer H square. So H your root 625. The root 25 625, find the value H means 25. So their hypotenuse your 25. Use of a here this formula or Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now you find sin A, cos A. You write by sin A. Formula of sin A, P upon H. P B P upon H H B. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin. Base upon hypotenuse is cos. Perpendicular upon base is called by their tan. Okay. So P upon H, the value of P is 7. Value of H, H is 25. Second value you find cos A. Use of a cos A. Formula B upon H. Value of base value your 24, and hypotenuse your 25. Okay, the value of your sin A, cos A. Okay, next question number 2, part of second. You find sin C, cos C. There the value of sin C, cos C. It means theta given is angle of C. See the angle of theta. Okay, theta means change of here base and perpendicular also. So you draw to here a small triangle. Name of a same name ABC. Give the here side AB is 24. We find 25 AC and 7. But their sin C It is means C is theta in this time. Okay, because we find the value of sin C. So make of a C is theta, perpendicular opposite of here theta is perpendicular, 90 B is also 90, it is the here hypotenuse, and it is the your base. Make of a theta who's the side. Okay, so we are find out here sin C and cos C. Write the value. Okay, now here written by sin C, sin C, same formula P upon H, so there P is 24, H your 25. Okay, C there theta. Second value you find cos C, use of this diagram, same B upon H, B your there in this diagram 7 and 25. Okay, so you also in this both of here questions only for theta also changes, then change of a perpendicular and hypotenuse both and change the here your answer. So when you starting, then you given the here if P and R, A and B make of a this triangle is a theta. Okay, question number 2, find the value is tan P minus cot R equal to how much values. Okay, given a diagram, use of this diagram, Q also 90 given. Okay, so opposite side of a 90 is called by hypotenuse H, but tan P and cot R. So P first we make of a P is theta. So P theta, then opposite side is perpendicular, it is your base. Okay, the P is a perpendicular means opposite of a theta, and base also make of a theta who's the side. So we are use of a Pythagoras theorem or this formula. So use of a this formula, H square equal to B square plus B square. H given 13, B given 12, and P you find out. So 13 169, 12 144 plus P square, 169 minus 144 your answer P square, minus your 5 25, P root of 25 because square, you find out answer is 5. Okay, so perpendicular you find out there 5 according to theta is make of a angle P. When I make of angle P, you find F angle tan P. So tan P formula is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular upon base. So who's the perpendicular? 5 perpendicular, 12 also base. Okay, and second you find out cot R. R means theta also changes. So whose change of a here B and P also. So you draw to here next diagram, small diagram, P Q R is theta there, these values 12 PQ, 5 this and 13. Okay, if the theta is R, then perpendicular opposite side of perpendicular is P, it is the base, it is the hypotenuse, right? Okay, you find out here base and hypotenuse. Opposite angle of here theta is called by here perpendicular, opposite angle is 90 degree is called by hypotenuse, make of a theta whose the here side is called by base. Okay, find out here cot R. The cot R formula P upon B upon P, B upon P. Use of a R formula, R make of a angle R. The value of B is 5 and P also 12. Okay, final value you find out tan P minus cot R. So we are substitute value tan P minus cot R. Okay, tan P, who's the tan P? 5 upon 12, and who's the value of cot R? Cot R equal to 5 upon 12. Both are minus, your final answer is 0. Okay, next sum you solve in next videos. Okay, do the homework, continue.